Good morning, world. Today I'm going to discuss patents regarding the thermal sleeve for hot beverage containers. So the very first patent is the insulating sleeve, and this sleeve was patented by Li Ming Kai in 2000. And what made the sleeve different is just that it's an insulating sleeve for beverages that can be hot or cold, and it allows one to pick up the beverages without getting hurt because of the temperature differences. Patent 2 is the thermal coffee cup. And this coffee cup was actually patented by Delbert Binney in 1948, which is a long time ago. And this coffee cup was just basically meant to be like a handheld device and to kind of insulate the heat or the cold of a substance so that you don't get burned when you drink it. Patent 3 is the thermal sleeve and the method for manufacturing this thermal sleeve and combination cup. And so it was patented in 2005 by John Cashco. And basically, this patent just kind of describes in depth the sleeve and how it has an adhesive that closes it so that it'll enclose the cup. How it has a top and bottom so that the cup can go through and just things like that. It talks about a creeped paper lining that it has, and just goes more into the depth of the components of the thermal sleeve and how they're made. Patent 4 is the insulator sleeve for a beverage container, and it was patented in 2007 by Kevin Prince. So this container is referred to as a device that's disposable in nature, and it can be used repeatedly, which is something different, as before they were more one-time usage devices. And so this patented cup also can be biodegradable, which helps with environmental degradation and whatnot. Patent 5 is the temperature indicating sleeve and related container, and it was made by Wendy and Donald LaGuardia in 2007. It was patented then, and they what made their patent a little bit different is that they actually have temperature indicators on their cups, and in the patent they have various pictures of just the differing designs that they could use for these indicators and temperature levels and whatnot. Patent 6 is the sleeve construction for improved paperboard cup insulation, and it was filed in 1999 by James Arthur Rule. And this cup just talked about how on the sleeve it had hot melt glue dots that would help better insulate the heat or the cold of the cups. So that was something different. And then the first patent application that we have is the beverage cup sleeving system and method. And so this application discusses just how the insulating system is conical, and how the cups, it goes into depth about what types of cups are being used and just the different types of sleeves that can be. The sleeves could even have Velcro on them, so it's a little bit different in that nature. The second application that I have is the protective sleeve, and in 2009 Barry Silverstein and his others filed a patent for a sleeve that has an arch-like shape in it, and so it's a little sleeve with a little half dome kind of thing, half circle. And so basically in this patent, this arch-like shape makes the whole manufacturing process more efficient and wastes less biodegradable paper and things like that. So that's what made this patent a little bit different. And then application 3 is for a hot and cold cup sleeve, which is filed in 2014 by Eugene Chun. And basically he talks about more in depth about that the cup sleeve is disposable, that it's water absorbent and water repellent, so that it won't water won't penetrate it and completely ruin it, and has special coating and stuff made of various different items that he discusses in the patent. So yeah, these are the patents that I went over, and I hope you enjoyed our time together.